Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about some of the best online piano apps that can help you learn to play the piano. One of them being Skoov. So Skoov is a great app. It teaches you on how to play piano. It gives you different level, like for beginners, then intermediate, and then later on you can also play your favorite songs. They'll show you the chords and you can follow them and play them step by step. The other app I think is absolutely amazing is Simply Piano as well. Simply Piano is another great app that teaches you. They have a huge list. If you want, you can also learn Mozart, which is absolutely amazing. A lot of people love Mozart's piano, and yeah, these two are the best piano apps available on the Play Store right now. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.